So, ladies, oftentimes when we are cheated on, some of us get real sad, get real lonely, shut ourselves in the house, don't want to go anywhere, and it's tough for us to go to work and show our faces. We don't want to tell the truth. We act like everything is peachy keen, and we become sad. But actually, if somebody cheated on you, they're not worth your tears. I'm telling you, I know it's hard at the beginning, but in time you will look back and say, why did the fuck did I let him in my life? Like, you will look back and say, what? I cried over that thing. I was sad over that thing. If they cheated, they have low morals. And why would you want a person with low morals around? So, our theme song for 2025 is to thank them for cheating on you. Thank them for cheating on you because your life is much better. You saw the devil ahead of time before you invested any more of your time and money into this relationship. Now, next time you get cheated on, because it will happen, because so many people, I'm not going to say just guys, so many people have low morals, and they seek weak people. They seek to find people who they can take advantage of. I mean, if they can seek out your vulnerabilities. That don't mean you actually weak, but weak-minded people, seek out people they can take advantage of. So next time you get cheated on, sing the song.
I'm glad you cheated on me. I'm glad you lied about where you be. Now my life is filled with glee. I'm so glad you cheated on me.
Now sing with me. 1, 2, 3.
I'm glad you cheated on me. I'm glad you lied about where you be. Now my life is filled with glee. I'm so glad you cheated on me.
Then I wrote one more. It's kind of slower, but I wrote this with my guitar. Listen.
Have you ever had someone cheat on you, treat you bad, and make you sad? Well, this is the theme song for 2025 for maintaining your badassness. When you get the urge to call that person, when you get the urge to think about giving one more chance, when you start thinking about all the good times you had, just remember how they made you sad and sing. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for lying about who you be. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for cheating on me. Thank you for lying about who you be.
And that's a wrap.